a solution. And if you view things from a perspective, you will find that everything is a solution. This mic is not just a product, it's a solution for me to be able to address a large audience without having to yelling too hard. It's a solution to comfortably take my voice from one point to other point without straining myself about block. A piece of soap, cake of soap, that is a solution. And that is how people package their soaps. One thing is a solution to kill germs, the other is solution for beauty, the other is solution for moisturizing, the other is a solution for freshness. ऐसे ही होता है. Go to cold drinks. Coca-Cola says ठंडा मतलब Coca-Cola. Oh my God, जैसे बाकी को गर्म करके देते होंगे ना, उबाल के देते हैं गरारे करने के लिए. But that is how they have put it up. Now you have to be different. You have to say something else. Then there are all those wars happening. Then say this is the right choice, baby. This is this. This is that. And then that product comparison gets too saturated. Then comes up takes it to a different level. They take the fight to 30,000 square foot above the sea level. They say taste the thunder. That is the thunder. You just want to add a cold drink, simple cold drink, and you are talking about thunder. Thunder and lightning and all those amazing things. And then somebody comes to get, this is all nonsense, Dar ke aage jeet hai. Oh my God. And we are talking about, so, every product is trying to solve the problem. Everything. This light is solving a problem. You try to solve the problem, and then you solve the problem in a better way, maybe cheaper way, faster way. Chairs have always been there, but then somebody came up with a foldable chair. Maybe you can fold it, so it's saving the problem of occupying space and maybe comfort or whatever. The lights, then they replicate the sun, they are soothing to your eyes, so it is solving the problem even at a deeper level. So the more specific you solve a problem, the more people are willing to pay for it. A doctor maybe is solving the problem. If you have some problem in your kidney or some other organ, and the doctor does some surgery and you're okay, he solves your problem. So the lesson from that dissection of that idea thing is that number one is problem recognition. Number two, what is the next step? Once you recognize the problem, what is the next step? You try to create a solution around it. Number three, you want to help that person. You are a good person. You want to help, but you realize you're not carrying your wallet. You're not carrying your phone. You still want to help. What would you do? What would you do if you are into such a situation? What would you do?
Do funding.
Yes, finding a PG is a big problem. So what is the solution now?
Sir, earlier I think the agenda is that the PG is offering a home place to the students or the state. But now this thing is being commercialized to that people are doing a business of that. Earlier is that a person is coming to us. He is staying a corner or a out section of the house, and we are providing him a facility like home. But now the thing is, the scenario become changed. People are setting a business, and they are. But the thing is, problem that we somehow can't adjust in that commercialized PG.
Okay.
So my problem is that I want to be part of a PG that is in a home residence, so that I get basic facility like home. So the solution of that, I will design an app and list the owners that are providing PG facilities in their homes, so that the persons are looking for that.
Excellent. Yes, and you can take a cut. You can become an aggregator like an Uber or urban company or whatever.
Yes, sir.
In fact, this is something which is happening in London at this point of time. Young people who are in the university do not have that kind of accommodation. University is not able to give accommodation. And then there is a parallel problem running that old people whose children have gone somewhere, they are feeling the problem of loneliness. It's a big problem.
Yes, sir.
Loneliness is bigger problem than HIV and all those things combined.
Yes, sir.
And we don't talk about it.
Yes, sir.
The more we are into this flat culture and everything where we don't see people face to face, this loneliness is creeping in. We often hear that somebody died and it was discovered after 3 days by the milkman. We don't want our society to be like this. So loneliness is a problem. So what the government did was they kind of did the matchmaking for all the students who were looking for homes and all the people who are lonely looking for somebody to talk to. So it's not a money thing. It's simple as that. You'll have somebody to talk to, and as a child, and the children would have guardians, and it's going on very, very nice. So they are trying to solve this problem of loneliness. You can do this. There are professional cuddlers. ये तो चलिए गवर्नमेंट ने किया, then